Hello, people of ABIA State. I'm located at Owerrita, ABIA State, Selangwa South. I don't know the kind of construction company is this. Look at someone's compound, filled with flood. Can you imagine? They call it IAU construction company. Please, the governor, look into this matter. Please help us and change this construction company because this is bringing serious damage. Just imagine, look at my compound. Walai, I go post this thing. AIU construction company is not capable of doing this work. Your Excellency, the governor of ABIA State, Dr. Alex Oti, AIU is not capable of doing this work. Look at someone's compound. Look at flooded. The Abians do not deserve this. AIU is not capable. Look at them. Look at incompetent company. Incompetent construction company. Your Excellency, sir, you are more than this. Please, we beg you to change this construction company. Else, your people will die of flood. Else, your people will die of flood. And I know you love Abians to your heart. Please, Your Excellency, sir. Just imagine. Just imagine. Just imagine. People of ABIA State. See someone's compound being destroyed by flood. Just imagine. By IAU construction company. Just imagine. Just imagine. Look at it. Come, we'll go back this side.
Mo, follow this side. This one now, another person compound with this. Our neighboring houses. See ya. I'll go enter house now. Oh. This is our house. Here. Now the water the way they rush now enter our compound. See ya. See ya. All our family now are outside. See them here. They don't leave their all rooms.
All their properties.
All their properties don't spoil.
Just imagine. Just that. Just see someone's compound. Someone's compound is being filled with flood. Just see. will not come back.
So,
How would they sleep this night? How would they survive this night? Eh? How would they survive this night?
see how water full everywhere. Everybody don't come out for the compound. See,
Just imagine.
is there need to check for inside rooms?
Now.
This one don't work.
If you enter,
You don't enter
you
now.
enter everywhere.
See,
Enter
this is
everywhere.
my room.
Everywhere.
They dark.
Just look at.
Just continue videoing there now.
Eh?
Let them see you. See, come and collect the phone. Let me carry umbrella. Just stand here because of the rain. You go spoil my screen. See everywhere. No
Just
way to
imagine.
even.
Everywhere filled with flood. Look at. Just to look at. This is the damage that was done by the construction company. This is damage they've caused by the IAU construction company. Look at damage. Look at damage. People's property. All condemned. This is someone's house. This is someone's house. Just imagine. Just imagine. But enter your house. Just imagine this. Just imagine. Yeah? But no, we don't feel like this lightly. I'm telling you. This one, today. So sorry, please. So this is people's room, citizens' room, being filled up with flood due to the recklessness of the construction company. Sir, with due respect, I urge you to look into this matter. Just watch. Just watch. Look at people. Look at, due to the environment, I can't step further. But I believe you understand what I'm talking about. This is how people's room, people's building, structures being destroyed. Oh, shit. Being destroyed. Just watch. Just watch. Just watch. Hey! And we met with the construction company operators, and all of them flew away. Look at the channel. Look at. No movement. So I can't move further. There are people sympathizing with us. Just look at. The flood destroyed people's property. Destroyed everybody's property. Just imagine, sir. Take a good look at. Look at. This thing you're seeing right here, this is exactly how people's room looks like. How would they survive? How, sir?
The whole of this water level at that all my vegetables
Don't go.
don't go.
Because now you are doing where video last. With all this one, photo.
This is everything.
That's the way they see our town. Now someone's filing with this. I don't video the inside. Okay.